Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a tutorial on how to make your own script on Scratch. So let's begin. So first thing, you open Scratch. To download Scratch, you can download it on PC or just go on Chrome and type scratch.mit.edu. Okay, now it's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Now it's creating project. Okay, so now I'm going to explain you a few basics of Scratch. So this is sprite. This is our sprite. So a sprite is an avatar which you're gonna program, and these blocks and scripts is the code for the sprite. If you go on costumes, it's like animations for the character, like for the sprite. So this sprite is walking now. The sounds are the sound of the sprite, what it like says. So this one is meow. Okay, so now I will show you how to add sprites and things. So to add a sprite, you just go on the cat button over here. You can select a sprite from here, or you can create your own sprite, or you can upload a sprite from your computer. Over here is the background. You can search from the background over here. You can make your own background from here. You can upload your background from here. If you are on uploading, you can select an image from your computer and it will display. So this is the name of the sprite. You can rename it from sprite 1 to whatever you want, like I'll call it cat. This is the navigation for the sprite. So this is the x-axis. If I change the x-axis to like 80, then it will move 80. If I do minus 80, it will go minus 80. This is the y-axis. So if I put this 10, it will go 10. So these are the navigations. This is the size of the sprite. So we can increase the size from 100 to 10. Now it becomes small, or 100 to 1000. That's very big. Another way you can do it is by growing and shrinking. So to do that, okay, so this is the dashboard where you do the script. So you can do as per preference. This is full screen. You can find your own tutorials from here. Okay, so now we will start with coding. So if I'm explaining about coding, when you click on the green flag, this is the program, the flag for running your program. It's like the word run in real coding, in real programming. The red button over here is stop. So which means that if you want to stop your program from running, you just click on the red button here. Okay, now so the move 10 steps is a program, it's a command which you will give your sprite. So if I click it here, it will move 10 steps. Let's continue with programming. So for switching our costumes, we click on switch costume from costume 1 to costume 2, or just click switch costume to 2. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so this is when click. So when I click the green flag, it will go move 10 steps. Now we're gonna do about the repeat 10 times loop. So if I click on the green flag, it will repeat the sprite will move 10 steps 10 times. Let's do a test. You see, it moved 10 steps 10 times. Now if we try the forever loop and make it move 10 steps, it will constantly move 10 steps continuously, constantly. Let's do a test. Okay, now let's make another movement. So let's make the movement of like turning 15 degrees. So means the sprite will flip as the arrow shows, right towards the right, like flip. If we make it go forever, it'll like make a front flip or something. That's your test. As you see, it will constantly flip. Let's undo this. Okay. Now, as I said about the navigation part, you can program the navigation part as well. So if I want the sprite to move, suppose minus 95, or let's make our own place. Let's make it 19 and y 89. Then it will go there. As you see, it moved position. You can also make it go to any position if you want, and you have to click on go to random position. So let's see, went to a random position. Okay. Now if you go on sensing, it means that it sends whatever you're touching in the keyboard or mouse. So let's make a program with the sensing. So if the mouse point, if edge is touched, then it will do whatever you want it to do. Like if space key is pressed, it will move 10 steps. Look. So if you're going on wait a 1 second, then it will let's do a program on wait 1 second. So when clicked, repeat 10 times, then it will wait for 1 second. Then forever it will turn 15 degrees left. That's your test. You see, so first it moved 10 steps 10 times, then it waited, and then it started turning 15 degrees forever. Okay.